Welcome to the Orchidarium assembly instructional video. This video can be used for both the basic and premium Orchidarium unit owners. For owners of the basic unit, some assembly steps may not be applicable to you. Due to continuing improvements, your actual unit may differ slightly from the one being assembled in this video. Open the Orchidarium packaging. Feel free to also refer to the drawing instructions included in your package. We recommend taking all the parts out and laying them on a large table. Remove the protective film from each Orchidarium panel as shown. You can optionally wear gloves to reduce smudging on the panels. However, it may be trickier to peel off the film, so it is your preference. There are 5 panels total to remove film from. The ceiling panel, with 4 holes on one side. The right side panel, with a large grid attached. The back panel, the widest panel with a large grid attached. The left side panel, with a small grid attached. The door panel, the largest clear panel with no grid. Place the humidity tray on the table. Set the standalone grid on top of the tray. The hole in the grid should be on the left side. Place the fogger inside the hole of the grid where it will rest in the tray and lay its cord behind for now. Temporarily place the fan on top of the grid as well. Pull out the bag that includes 6 arrow clips, 4 fan bolts, and 2 nylon corner brace bolts. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, which is not included. The smaller handled versions work great. Set the back panel, the largest one, into the back side of the tray. The cords for the fogger and fan will fit through the groove on the bottom left side of the back panel. Set the right panel into the right side of the tray. Connect the right side panel to the corner brace of the back panel using a nylon bolt and nut. Hold the nut with your fingers and use the screwdriver. Another tool is not necessary. You don't want to tighten it too much. Set the left panel into the left side of the tray. Repeat the same process to attach the left side panel to the corner brace of the back panel using a nylon bolt and nut. Slide the ceiling panel into the top of the unit with the 4 fan holes aligning with the back left corner. Make sure it is inserted into the back channel by using a little force or push. Place the fascia on top of the unit, lining it up with the holes on the unit's panels. Insert arrow clips into 6 holes, 3 on each side. Hold the ceiling fan up to the 4 holes on the ceiling panel. Insert the 4 fan bolts as shown. Hand screw about 1/4 inch. Your unit may come with a grid attached to the fan. The fan will hang attached to the bolts. Place the 45-watt LED grow light on top of the unit with lights facing down. Now we will plug in the adapters, cords, and timers. Your power strip with adhesive can be placed on numerous locations as shown. We recommend a vertical position on the back right. Note that once you attach the sticky Velcro, it is most likely permanent, so choose wisely and be careful in your placement. The power strip does not need to be attached to the Orchidarium. It can be placed on your own wall or floor or wherever is desired. Insert the digital timer into the bottom outlet of the power strip. Insert the rheostat, the fan speed switch, into the outlet. Plug the fan cord into the outlet on the back of the rheostat. Plug the fogger adapter into the digital timer outlet. Plug the mechanical timer for the LED light into the outlet. Plug the adapter for the LED light into the outlet of the mechanical timer. Your unit is now near complete. Insert a battery into the hygrometer and place the hygrometer on the grid using its kickstand. At this point, you can pour 2 gallons of tap water, not RO water, into the tray. Refer to our website for usage information. To insert the door panel, note that the bottom of the door panel has large radiuses. The top has more angled corners with a center groove. Lift up the fascia 1/16 of an inch and slip the panel underneath as shown. To remove the door panel, lift the fascia upward. The unit is now complete. You may have some smudges from assembly. Feel free to clean the panels with the Novus acrylic cleaner. Use the cloth provided. We do not recommend other cloths. It is also best to clean your fogger monthly with a Q-tip as shown. Please visit our website for contact information and usage instructions. Thank you for your interest in orchidariums.